In this video, we'll talk about the expectations for photos and give you some tips on how to take good photos so you can avoid having your job denied. A photo can be denied if it's blurry or unclear, it doesn't capture everything we're looking for, it doesn't meet the specific requirements in the instructions, or if there isn't a photo at all where one is required. These issues are not too hard to avoid. The most important thing is to always read the entire instructions and follow them exactly as they're stated. Here are some good practices to help ensure that your photos are approved. First, read all the instructions and follow them exactly as stated. Make sure there is no blur or glare and that there are no obstructions like people or shopping carts. Try to frame your photo exactly like the help image. If you're taking a picture of a certain product, display, or shelf section, make sure we can see everything. And finally, if you have any problems taking your photo, make a note of it in the comments at the end of the job. We'll take that into consideration when reviewing the job. Now here are some examples. This photo is too blurry to make out the individual products. Make sure you hold your phone still and check your photo after you take it to make sure that it's clear. Retake the photo if necessary. This photo is going to have to be denied because there's a customer in front of the shelf. The client isn't going to be able to see everything they're looking for. If there are customers shopping or employees stocking the shelves, you'll need to wait until they've moved out of the way to take your photo. Here's an example where there's a pillar blocking the view of the shelves. Obviously, this is a permanent part of the store and there's really nothing you can do about it, so this photo is fine. Finally, let's talk about what to do if the product or display you're looking for isn't in the store. If you've looked everywhere and confirmed with the store employees that the product or display isn't there, check the instructions for alternate photo instructions. At the bottom of the instructions, the job will tell you exactly what to do. If you just skip a photo because what you were looking for wasn't there, your job will be denied. The alternate photos are proof that you were there looking for the display, and they're also proof for the client to show the retailer that the display wasn't up. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll talk a little more about some more specific types of jobs and audits.